Okay, so I just picked up my bike. I have new tires and I'm gonna test them. My wife is taking the boy, our son, home, and I will go somewhere. Hi everyone, I just changed my tires, and as I said yesterday, I decided to go with those Mitas E07 Plus, and I did, let me check, I did like 20 kilometers on them on a road like this mainly, so it's like dry sand, not that deep, but it's a sand. And I don't want to get like super excited, but the difference is just huge. The difference on a sand is huge. The bike feels like it would be glued to the ground. Okay, maybe not glued, but the difference is really huge. When on those previous factory metallers, on a surface like this, I would have to like really balance, really work to keep my the bike straight. Here I don't have to do that. The front tire is not like, I don't know, falling on the side, and it's really the tire is working for me to keep this bike straight, and it's a great thing. It's just awesome, and I hope that I will learn how to ride it now, because it feels really like a different bike. It looks just amazing. It looks so sexy, really. I will just show you, or let me just show you right now. this is how it looks like so aggressive. And now they are dirty, but on the moment I picked them up, there was like new tires. Really made my day for sure. And they came today. I didn't even expect that. I thought it's gonna be a dog food when the courier called, but it was not, obviously. And I managed to find a place where they changed those tires for like 1/3 of a price of a service that I have close to my home. I had to go there like a bit further, but 1/3 of a price. So this is how it looks like. And yeah, and I've been riding. This is like, as you could see, the train just passed. I found this place by accident, but it seems to be in the area that I usually ride. I have just never turned in here because it mainly looked like the sand you can see, so it was always too much. But now I did, and then this is this mini tunnel that I found. It's a great place. I will take some cool photos. Let me switch the camera. The bike looks awesome. I will definitely take some shots, and as a bonus, hear this out. Maybe they also did something to my exhaust, because it also sounds good. So yeah, super happy with these tires. That was definitely a great choice for off-road. I did like, I don't know, 5 kilometers on asphalt, and I must say that you can hear them, but it's not a problem. It's something that you can easily get used to, and I will probably without any problems. So like, really, it was still worth it. So I hope that I will be able to add some video when I ride on the bike. Yep, so that would be it. Now I will add some riding clips, and what else? Yeah, I think I will mount the GoPro behind the toolbox, so maybe that will be interesting to see.